Hey everybody, it's 2024. I have my light show all up and running. And of course, the new big thing are these giant light bulbs from Home Depot. Everybody's out looking for them. I finally got my hands on a few, and I thought maybe I'd just make a quick video as I transition these from LED battery powered bulbs to working with my xLights Christmas show. All right, so I've got the light bulb taken apart here. The goal is to remove this little LED light strip and replace it with pixels. I've got a 3/4 inch paddle bit, some 3D printed 10 pixel mounts that I made off of an STL file off of the official xLights sharing group on Facebook. Got a couple 5-foot extensions and some zip ties. It looks like the wires are taped to a switch down here and plugged in, and then they're also plugged in to the battery compartment. I don't really care. I'm not going to be using any of this stuff, so I just ripped those off. I'm just going to take this out of here, slide this off of here. And I'll probably just leave all that other stuff down in there. It's not hurting anything. Now that I have that done, I'm just gonna lay this down and grab this 3/4 inch paddle bit. I'm gonna drill a hole right here in the side of this next to the switch button. Now that I have that in there, my plan is to slide a couple of those 5-foot extensions through there, one so that I have an output and one so that I have an input, and then connect them to the pixels on the prop. So now I'm feeding the wire through here. Now I've got that one there, so I need to go the other direction with this one so that I have an input and an output, both coming out of this hole. Now doing this, I have noticed that it's a lot easier if you feed the female end through the inside of the light bulb base out through it this way first before trying to put the other female end back into this hole, because it does take a little bit of prying to get it in there, but it's not too bad. As you can see, I've got one going out and now I've got one going in. Just reach down in here, pull that out. Now I've got a input and an output on that end. And I got an input and an output on this end so that I can daisy chain multiple of these together. Okay, I finally got my 10 string pixels. I don't know if 10 will be enough, but I'm gonna give it a shot. They plugged right into the adapter. I run my show at 20% brightness, but I may have to up these to 50% for these 4 props. I'll just have to plug it in tonight and see how it looks. All right, I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. They're pretty solid. I don't think they're gonna go anywhere. Still not sure if that's gonna be enough light, but I'm gonna hook them all up, test the lights, make sure that everything's working, and then add them to my sequences, put them in the show tonight, and see how they look. I'll post that at the end of the video. To install them out here, I just temporarily put a little small wooden stake in and zip tied it to it. I mean, they're not going anywhere.